How to find the best DoorDash promo codes. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily find the best DoorDash promo codes. So let's get started. So first thing what you want to do is just open up any of your favorite browser and simply search in for DoorDash promo code. So once you search in for DoorDash promo code, you'll see a lot of websites. So first thing or first one that I follow or like to use is this obviously DoorDash promo codes from the DoorDash.com itself. And once you locate this website, you can just search in for all of the items where you have a discount offer or promo codes to be received. So if that's not working for you, you can also always follow this another website that is coupons follow, so which is mostly I follow, because sometimes the DoorDash is not working. That means the application or website is not working properly. So you can also basically search in for the DoorDash promo codes from this couponfollow.com over here as well. So for now, let's say I want to use this one over here, which is a 45% off. So I'll simply tap on that and it will just provide me with the coupon code. I'll simply copy it and simply paste it over the DoorDash application by simply tapping on redeem at DoorDash. And once you open your account and just redeem at whichever product you want, you shall be successfully able to redeem and use that DoorDash promo code successfully. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.